Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a strawberry cheesecake trifle. Now, I made this about a month and a half ago, and I'd never made one before, so I just kind of winged it, and I kind of forgot what I'd done. So today we're just going to wing it again. It was absolutely amazing. Everybody loved it. It was a big hit, so we're going to be cooking on the grill today. My kids are coming over. They're going to be doing some swimming out in the pool, and you gotta have dessert. You gotta have dessert. And I'd already had everything on hand to make this, except for a couple things. And I thought, well, I'll go ahead and make it again. But I hope I can remember how to make it. So we're gonna wing it. If I can figure it out, you're gonna love it. Today I'm gonna be using my stand mixer because my other mixer makes me mad. So we're not gonna use that one. In here, I've got 3 of the, I think it's 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. So we're just gonna turn this mixer on here, and we're gonna let it, you know, soften, let it mix it up. I'm gonna add some powdered sugar in as well. I've got 2 cups in here, but I'm probably not gonna use all of these 2 cups. Because I don't like it like super sweet. You want to have like a little bit of wanginess to it, so you just want it a little sweet. So I'll let you know the exact amount that I use. I'll probably use about 1.5 cups. I like to taste mine as I go, so that way, you know, you don't get it over sweet. We're definitely going to need some more cream sugar, or powdered sugar. I said cream sugar. Probably end up using that whole 2 cups. I think last time when I made this, I just used 2 blocks of cream cheese. And this time I'm using 3. Alright, that looks good. Now I'm going to add sour cream. So give that little wanginess to it. And then I'm going to add the juice of about 1/2 of a lemon. Sorry guys, it's noisy in here today. We're going to add 1 of the smaller packages of the vanilla pudding mix. This is instant pudding mix. I think it's instant. This better be instant. It is. It's instant. We're going to add this to the cream cheese mixture, and then we're going to add about 1 cup of milk. About 1 1/4 cups. And then we're going to combine this as well. Let me give it a little taste just to make sure it's got enough sugar in it. Man, that is good. We're going to add about 1/2 of this Cool Whip topping in there, and then we're just going to fold that in. That's why it was for me. And then once you get this folded in, then you just start layering all your other ingredients. This is about 1.5 quarts of strawberries that I bought, and I just cut them up and put about 1/3 cup of sugar on top of. I'm probably not going to use all those strawberries because we're also going to use some of the strawberry pie filling as well. I may use 2 of these because I'm going to make a pretty big trifle. So you just add your strawberry pie filling. You could make this any flavor you want. You don't have to make strawberry. Any of the flavors that they have of the pie filling, you could make. You could make a lemon, blueberry, cherry, pumpkin. You could do a pumpkin. I'm going to use 2 cans of this. These things are pretty pricey too. God, I think they're like $4 a can. But it's so well worth it. Just add that to your bowl, and then we're going to add those strawberries. right in with this. And this is going to be one of your layers for your trifle. Let me see. I might end up using all of them. Let me look. I might as well. That's what, a bite in there. If you want to make this, maybe add some bananas in here. Strawberry banana trifle. That'd be really good. The last time that I made this, I used the angel food cake. This time, I bought these little dessert shells. I was looking for one of the little pudding cakes, you know, the lemon pudding cakes, but I couldn't find one of those. I thought that would be really good in this. So what you do is break these up. Or I suppose if you wanted to leave them whole, you could do that. And then just put them in the bottom of your bowl that you're going to be using. As big or as little as you want. It's getting stuck to my fingers. And then you just start layering your remaining ingredients, your cheesecake mixture, and then your strawberries. This is so good, so good. You want to make sure that you make this ahead of time so you can put it in the refrigerator so it'll have several hours so it can set up before you plan on serving it.
beans from the deli because they have dill in them. Anybody like them dill in their beans?
Ain't nobody putting dill in their baked beans.
That's what that is, girl.
That ain't dill, that's molasses.
Girl, it's dill. I know dill when I taste it.
She thinks that the grocery store puts dill in their baked beans.
They do. You can ask them.
All right. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ask them if they put dill in their baked beans. Now, all you do is cover this with foil and you put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or more. More is better to let it set up and let the cake get nice and soft. And then just serve it up. It's that good. I won't be doing any taste test today because I already know it's amazing. If it tastes anything like the one I made last time, it was amazing. Wasn't it amazing? She said, you know I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.